What's the meaning of affinity? Affinity. 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 Affinity refers to a close connection or relationship between things. It can describe a natural liking or similarity between people, objects, or ideas. Affinity can also refer to a chemical or biological attraction between substances. In general, affinity implies a sense of closeness or a strong attraction towards something. Understanding affinity can be useful in fields such as marketing, where companies try to understand consumer preferences and create products that appeal to their target audience's affinities.